Susie.
I'm Chad.
We're going to teach you how to dance with only one foot and no hands. Wait, actually we have no feet.
What? We don't have feet?
No, we don't.
We don't?
We have weird people holding us from our heads.
That's pretty weird.
It is weird.
Yes, it is weird.
It's weird.
Let's just dance already.
Okay. Do 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 do. Now let's get some boogie on. We're gonna pop it. We're gonna pop it and spin it.
Ow, you kicked me.
How can I kick you? I don't have feet or hands.
Like that, you kicked me.
I didn't mean to. What's my hairdo? It's a pretty hairdo.
Well, heart, my heart.
He died. Now I'm gonna have to do the end song. Do 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 do. This is the end of our show. Hip hip.